Welcome to service at Patrick MINI. When you purchased your vehicle from us, you didn't just get a car, you got a team, and we're here to make every mile ahead simple, smooth, and stress-free.
Congratulations on the purchase of your new Mini. My name's Matt Page, I'm the service manager here at Patrick MINI. Let me introduce you to my team.
Hi, I'm Brad, your service advisor. I'm here to make sure all your appointments are scheduled promptly and that all your questions are answered here at Patrick MINI Service.
Hello, my name is Edmund. I'm your certified master technician, and I'm here to get your vehicle back on the road as safely and as quickly as possible.
Our certified team is here to answer your questions, guide your maintenance schedule, and ensure your experience is always first class. Your first service visit is fast and easy. Whether you schedule online, by text, or through your vehicle's app, we'll keep you updated every step of the way. Enjoy amenities like complimentary multi-point inspections, available loaner vehicles, and transparent recommendations from factory-trained technicians.
We look forward to taking care of you and your Mini.
Welcome to the Patrick MINI family.